Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't beat Leeds 2-1 for the match they played yesterday with 2 goals from Eddie Nketiah. But many things there for the match we say I don't really like, because after Arsenal scored 2 goals, I think under 6 minutes back, we don't give them 1. Under 20 something minutes back, it don't become 2. So they expect it will continue like that. But Leeds can't get red card. We look ailing. Can go foul Martinelli. So referee no get charge. Referee first give a yellow. VAR come and say, "Oh, that thing is serious. So that thing is serious. Go check am." So referee can go check the thing. Can come back and say, "Yellow card cancel. Or yeah, take your red card." From there, we can't expect say Arsenal go run riot for Emirates. Like give them 6-1, 6-0, 7-0. You get to cut off the deficit for goal difference we get between ourselves and Tottenham Hotspur. But Arsenal no can do that one. Call the slow game, slow the tempo. Before you know wetin dey happen, no, Leeds don score 1. So they score 1, panic can't enter Emirates again. Fear can't. As in, the match was a never-ending match, because like if Leeds hold ball like this, fear will catch everybody, because it was 2-1. Nobody wants to see anything like 2-2, because we know how important this match was. So, but at the end of the day, we can't try to kill off the match. And you get another spectacular moment wey scatter Arteta brain. Even Arteta assistant coach called the para. Now when wetin dem dey call am, Pepe hold the ball instead of Pepe to carry ball, go, because for the ending of the match you go see say Leeds keeper Meyer, the guy come contest nothing, so they can't knock the ball out. Pepe can't carry ball, empty post dey there. I dey watch many highlights of players wey dey say that kind thing happen. They go santo the ball from their own side, e go enter post the other side. At least Pepe should have tried it, or maybe Pepe carry ball run. You get, instead Pepe won't come cut enter in left. Instead of to waste more ball, Leeds come collect ball, come call the Pepe else again. 9 minutes so you say we talk, so we supposed to waste time. So Arteta come the verse, come say you know understand the rationale behind that thinking. Like maybe we get to know the perspectives of Pepe, because the guy is acting like somebody that does not have a footballing brain. The Pepe, even Arteta come the say the assistant coach Stuvenberg say the guy blast Pepe for the dressing room. But another thing yourself I no come like now. Why Arteta can't dey wash Pepe linen in the public? He's supposed to keep everything in the dressing room. No come outside like he's throwing the guy under the bus. Even though we know say the guy don't do normal, but he's supposed to still keep everything under wraps, because all of us will see wetin happen. We say wetin happen. So now that one. And apart from that, another spectacular thing we'll get to talk about now, this Tomiyasu we play in place of Nuno Tavares. The guy had a wonderful game, though no really get much threat, because since Leeds get red card, they don't really get much to offer attacking wise. So but now for the early part of the game where Rafinha first give an introduction, say Omo yeah now let's go, we then get running back. You get, after that one Rafinha no really do something spectacular. That's how the match they go, Jerry. Arsenal don't collect 2-1, 3 points, very important, onto the North London derby. On my way from that, so Arsenal don't get close to signing Yuri Tillemans from Leicester City in a £40 million deal. And checking at this same guy, and I talk say he won't go Spanish football. What he can't change his mind? See all these players. Now which they talk that time where they talk say the guy, people say they talk and make you betray, because in they contracted to this people, you don't want to talk, say one they betray them constantly for EPL. Nah, the guy don't change his mind. I don't know what to really solve. And now when they say Real Madrid self don't involve themselves for the mix. Say Real Madrid just scam the issue. So that the reason say if Arsenal not qualify for Champions League, them go swoop in, because they know say once Arsenal wait for EPL, don't get Champions League, Arsenal will be an attractive proposition for many players. Like Yuri Tillemans now, we never even test Champions League, you never even hear the anthem before. You never did for the stadium where they play the anthem, where they sing for an ear. So the guy don't say he won't join Arsenal. You get, everybody knows saying like Arsenal he won't join. £40 million, it's not a bad deal, because the future of all those guys, El Neni and Xhaka, never really they. We don't know what it goes up. You get, anything can still happen. Xhaka when they talk say I want to stay, I want to win something great, Xhaka can still come out. You get, anything can happen. You never can tell. Mourinho still like her, so we never can tell. So one sign that one. And just imagine in midfield you have a Yuri Tillemans and you have a Ruben Neves. Come on, man, the team they very exciting and very delicious. I just pray say go happen, Sha. On my familiar setting, so they can't ask Mikel Arteta about their clash with Tottenham Hotspur, say how it could be. So Arteta can talk, say that clash is going to be a defining moment. You get, because that's the most important match of the season now, and it's the biggest North London derby in many years. You get, because if we win now, Champions League confirm, we don't enter. No argument. If Villarreal will lose, once we win and we don't qualify. If Villarreal will lose our next 2 games, we don't already qualify, because if we win we will get 7 points and 2 more games to go. 2 more games na 6 points. So it's not possible again. We don't collect them. So Tottenham Hotspur no say if they win the match, at least they will cut Arsenal points difference to 1. Because like as they like this now, they gap them with 4 points. So if they win, they will cut them to 1. Then the remaining 2 games it can swing anyway. And we are playing 2 important games. They play Newcastle. Newcastle they good at the moment with the teams they buy. You get. At the same time, we are playing Everton side. They say they are fighting for their life. They knock anybody come their front. You get. We don't know how that one will be. You get. So I just say that Everton at home, then Newcastle are away. So anything can still happen. We never really know. So the most important thing we do for here now, win or draw. We can't afford to lose in this place. You get. It shouldn't be hard to do now. That's why the Premier Ben White come back. We can't afford to lose in this place. Very, very important. Even Alan Smith sef don come outside come dey talk say Odegaard now don dey very, very nice for Arsenal. So Odegaard don dey worth £60 million, twice of wetin Arsenal pay for am, because of the way the guy dey play. The guy dey play very, very well. He's playing fantastically well for Arsenal. You get. And nobody expected this, because when they first buy am, nothing don first come loan before, and that in loan people never still dey convinced saying be wetin dem want. Even when he can still come, be first 11 members, they enter Benjamin with Emil Smith Rowe, they drag, before he can cement that place. Say, na me get this place. I feel they score plenty goals. I feel they give plenty assists. But you see the link up play, you see the free and flowing football, you see the passes. I go free you, I go give you pass, I go see, I be visioneer, all those kind of things. So I think I don't say okay, this one, my number 10 be that, and he's still young. I think he's 23. They're still going to grow with the team. They're very, very nice. Those of us who they talk to me, they sign medicine. Who knows? They will sign medicine for the summer. They will sign Marcel Sabitzer. Many number 10 day. They will sign up. So even when James Ward-Prowse, who they for Southampton, we say he don't ready to move. They will bring that one a free kick specialist. So many options this, since we are going to Champions League. Bad if we get to number 10 now. It's not a bad idea. So more they watch. On a Spanish outlet, so that they call AS, don't come outside on the report say Juventus they won't sign Thomas Partey from Arsenal. I don't know whether they tell them say Arsenal are shopping right now, shopping mall or shop right, so they will just come say, give me that player, I like that player. Okay, no, leave that, give me that one. Maybe that's so they come for Gabriel Magalhaes, say they give them Gabriel Magalhaes. They don't say that one no go work. They gonna come now, can say okay, we'll give them Partey. And the two make me laugh. They call it dangle or Tomelo for our front, because them no wants Melo again, because Nemanja Matic now. From what they hear, say don't agree a deal in principle to join Juventus after all the summer don't end. They move ship, they come up for Manchester United, they go there. And you see that one self, now midfielder MB, and they collect £10 million sign-on bonus. So Otomelo don't dey free, don't be surplus for requirement. Now they dangle am for our front. Say see Melo, if you want Melo, when I can carry Melo. So anybody that wants stand will say, okay, we could give a Melo. We know say I like Melo. We'll give an Otomelo. Then we'll collect. We'll give a small money also. Then we'll collect Partey. So this one are their latest request. So Arsenal never respond, but I don't say all those ones no go work. But if it still work, who knows? Because this one Partey na injury prone. You not go prefer say we just throw away Partey, collect that kind of Yuri Tillemans or collect the Ruben Neves. I wanna see him, because this one if say any small person don't get injury, any small thing, it's like Partey is not built for the EPL. You cannot understand what we need you most when they get injury. What's the other one now? Jamie Carragher self don't come outside. Come the advice and the Nketiah say make the guy move to another. See, if you want to enjoy your first team football, you need to move to somewhere else, because for this Arsenal where you did, you no go ever become their first choice striker. It no go happen, because now we be say even Aubameyang no dey, even now only Lacazette dey, you no still be first choice. Now Lacazette don shift and go Benjamin, you don dey play, you don dey score. By the time they go buy strikers, because that one na Shola, Arsenal must buy striker now. You know fit tell me say no go buy. By the time they don't buy strikers, where you go come dey, where will be your place in the pecking order of strikers? So na there wahala go dey. So I believe say Nketiah said go listen to the voice of wisdom, because if na maybe Nketiah also I no go like for now, I go move, because the only way to grow na to move. Then away from that, so for media settings, so they call they ask Arteta say when Ben White will come back. So Arteta come talk say in dey hopeful, very, very optimistic, say the guy go play the match against Tottenham Hotspur for North London derby, because we need all the best legs we can get. That is the biggest game of our season and the biggest game of Tottenham Hotspur season. You get. Instead, we could collect draw for that match. We must not lose. Losing is out. And Tottenham Hotspur now only win they need. So they go give us rush hour. And I would like and somehow so that we self will do the what them do Liverpool. Maybe we will give them a low block or we'll give them a counter attack. But I know say they go wan give us one tactics, they go wan give us the ball, make we dey attack them, make they counter us. Instead, make we sef we hold the ball, make we dey slow the ball down, make we make sure say we no dey give them, we no dey attack too much, make they come dey counter us. No, na them need the win, so make they come attack. You get, because na wetin Conte dey always do. We meet them, they'll give us the ball. They are happy to give us possession. Oh yeah, attack us. Boom! Go see counter. Kulusevski, Kane and Son. Before you know, don't reach our post. Boa! So now what they go want do? So this time around, we'll make sure say that thing no go work. I just put Ben White day. Because anytime Ben White they available, Gabriel Magalhaes they available, Rob Holding they available, it gives us an option to play a 5-man at the back with 3 center backs. And when you now have a Tomiyasu available, that means you have 4 center backs at the back. Come on now, see that kind of delicious opportunity to defend. If we want to do low block, we'll give them a low block. We say, she, they no go see road. Our Fiorentina president, so that they call Rocco Comissio, don't come as I can't give the green light. Say me Fiorentina sign Lucas Torreira, so they enjoy the way the guy play. His loan, this form, they very good. When playing loan, the loan stint was very successful. They enjoy everything they do. They get first in football there. So what's next? So I know now from that kind of Italia Serie A now from sign Torreira. So let's say they built for that league. You get. You know, some players they say they built for a particular league and not another league. You get. They go shine one place and they go shine that place. Look at Lukaku now. Lukaku they sign, they play well for Inter Milan. He come EPL, you know, play well. And if I call him Lukaku, I mean I know say don't change his name from Lukaku to Lukaku because he comes like the fake Lukaku. Now Chelsea buy. You get the original one now for Inter Milan. So Chelsea buy Lukaku. So that's what it just be. So Jamie Redknapp himself don't come outside. They praise Edin Ketia for his superb finishing ability. But to see that goal, that second goal where Edin Ketia scored, that goal is a very difficult goal because when you look at that goal, he was falling backwards, and as he was falling backwards, he took the shot and the shot went in. So it was a very difficult technique to pull off, and he did it successfully. Can they praise the guy, say they're very good, but the fear now be say whether Arsenal and Nketiah will agree a deal to keep him in the Emirates, or the guy go say no to your deal, I'm going to Crystal Palace, they need me over there. But for that Crystal Palace when they go, so what will be the shola, what will be the guarantee say he will play first team football, because they still get Edison Odward there, they still get Jordan Ayew there, Zaha still there, they still get what's his name again, Michael Olise, they still get Gallagher, they still get Guehi, many players there. We go for enter the starting level attacking player. So what's the guarantee? Well, we'll watch as everything will turn out for him. Arsenal kids, their home kids for next season, 2022-2023 season. They don't leak them. So me, I see the red kids, and I think the major difference between this season and next season, I just say that red don't get color. You get, I just as I see them, and the color first attract us. Still get color. I just see the color. I say, hey, wow. Well, you know, bad they fine. A nice one. Gary Neville himself don't come outside on the CHUKS for the match between Arsenal versus Tottenham Hotspur. So he can't talk for him, saying they fancy Tottenham Hotspur to win that match. Not because Tottenham Hotspur are better than Arsenal, but because they are the ones that need it the most to get, and they did at home, so they will throw everything at the match. You get, and Arsenal defense feel leaky. You get, because when a team, a wounded lion come outside, throw everything they have, because they know say if they draw this match or if they lose this match, their Champions League hopes don't go bye, don't vanish, come up in smoke. You get, but Arsenal need just a win or a draw, and Arsenal feel no come out for a win. They will just come out to settle for a draw, because coming out for a win means say you can't attack too much. So settling for a draw means say maybe another kind of counter attack, keeping the ball, reducing the tempo, lower the tempo. No make it no be end-to-end stuff, no, reduce the tempo. You don't want that, because all you need is a draw. So now what Arsenal will want to do, and Arsenal would like to avoid an early goal, because early goal will scatter the tactics, will scatter the formation where Arsenal carry come again. But when they play that kind of 20-30 minutes 0-0 ahead, you said we dey relax, go, say things they go slow and steady. So that's what they be. Well, now when the match starts, now talk is cheap. That's why when they talk, now your own opinion, you get. Now when match starts, we know what's in the solve. Even Antonio Conte himself don't come outside from media setting where they call ask him about how Arsenal they play, how the top 4 go be. So but Baba doesn't make it no lie. Say Arsenal they on a fantastic run of form. You get, come on, from winning Chelsea, winning Man U, winning West Ham, now winning Leeds, before they come meet them. Say Arsenal they a top run of form. They no fit deny that one. Say top 4 no they their own hand. You get, now Arsenal hand it they. Say the best they can do is just to win Arsenal and reduce the points deficit to 1. They make sure they win their other games and hope that things go in their favor. Maybe Arsenal will drop points again. That's the only thing they can hope for. As of now, everything they Arsenal hand, everything they Arsenal favor. So now the truth wey Baba just talk, and na so it just be. Say at the end of the day, make dem just win all their 3 games, their last 3 games, which is winning Arsenal and the remaining 2. Then they will see what happens. So na so it just be. So if you no watch yesterday show, check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click am so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So Sir Chuks signing out. Enjoy this new week. Na game out.